to delete all history from Google My Activity. First, open your web browser and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage Your Google Account. From the left-hand menu, click Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the History Settings section, then click My Activity. On the My Activity page, scroll down a little bit and click the Delete button. You'll see several options, such as Last Hour, Last Day, Custom Range, and All Time or Always. To delete your entire Google activity history, select All Time or Always. Review the items that will be deleted. If you don't want to remove certain activity, you can uncheck those options. Once you're ready, click Next, review the confirmation screen, and then click Delete to permanently remove your Google activity history. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Google My Activity history. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.